evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SCE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. So, law firm of the year, right?
And here are the nominees: Clifford Chance Badea, Dentons, Popescu and Associati, RTPR, Allen and Overy, Stratulat Abulescu, Tuca Zbarcea Associati, Wolf Dice.
And this award is sponsored by CDDI, and from CDDI, would you please welcome Preston Smith to say a few words.
Preston, good to see you. You got dressed up.
Hello, this is Preston Smith from Corporate Due Diligence and Investigation, CDDI. We are your risk intelligence and investigative firm for CE, but also for SCE in Romania. And we are honored to be handing out the Law Firm of the Year Award for SEE. I know there's been a lot of competition, and we are quite excited to find out just who will be the winner.
All right, well, thank you, Preston, for sponsoring this award. And I guess we're going straight to the winner, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
So the winner of Law Firm of the Year, what a shock.
Dentons.
Dentons.
And I don't know, maybe we might have Perry Zizi that'll join us. Oh my gosh, it works.
As if I love you.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. I'm really glad to be working on this really fine team here with our head of the real estate practice, Bogdan Papandopoulos. He's been quite busy this year on M&A, leasing, and our specialty title insurance, development, working alongside Simona Marine, who joined us from a competitor recently to work with me on real estate finance in the region and Romania. It's a great time. We think that the year ahead, as challenging as it might be, is going to see a lot of developments that were unexpected, a lot of acceleration of trends perhaps that were already happening in Western Europe and more developed markets, particularly in logistics. And we're excited to be part of it. Thank you very much to all of our clients and friends who supported us and the jury for choosing us. Really appreciate it.
Congratulations again.
Congratulations.
And enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.